Hello, this is Amy Hagel, Shine Liaison at Senior Connection Center. On today's edition of Medicare Monday, I had with me Jay Todres, Senior Medicare Patrol Support Specialist at Senior Connection Center. We want to make you aware of an additional COVID-19 related scam that is targeting Medicare beneficiaries. And here are the things that you need to know about the COVID-19 vaccine. Um, you will likely will not need to pay anything out of pocket to get the vaccine during this public health emergency. You cannot pay to put your name on the list to get the vaccine. You cannot pay to get early access to the vaccine. You will not be solicited um, door to door to receive the vaccine. So we want to make you aware of that. No one from Medicare or the health department will contact you. No one from a vaccine distribution site or healthcare payer, like a private insurance company, will call asking for either your Medicare number, social security number, or your credit card or bank account information to sign up for you to get the vaccine. So, Jay, what are the recommendations that the Senior Medicare Patrol, also known as SMP, recommends to Medicare beneficiaries?
Okay, yes, good afternoon. Okay, we suggest in SMP, Shine SMP, that you contact your own doctor if you're experiencing any potential symptoms of COVID-19. Please do not give out your Medicare number, social security number, or personal identifiable information in response to any unsolicited calls, text, emails, home visits, or booths at health fairs or other public venues. If your personal information is compromised, it may be used in other fraud schemes as well. Be suspicious of anyone going door to door to offer free coronavirus or COVID 19 testing, supplies, treatments, or any vaccines. That's not the nature of how it's working these days. And in particular, some of the vaccines are in a shortage, and it would be highly irregular that anyone would have a supply and be able to provide it in your neighborhood going door to door. Please be aware of providers offering other products, treatments, or medicines to prevent the virus. Check with your healthcare provider before paying for or receiving any COVID 19 related treatment. If you get a call, text, email, or even someone knocking on your door claiming that they can get you early access to the vaccine, stop right there. That's going to be a scam. As I mentioned previously, due to the nature of the supply chain right now. Um, Again, it's highly irregular and it's not in the legitimate realm that somebody's going to knock on your door. Unfortunately, it's not working that way at this time. Carefully review your Medicare summary notice or your MSN, and depending on the type of insurance, it could be your explanation of benefits or EOB, and you would be looking for errors or claims for products or services that you know you did not receive. Sometimes you may notate the services on your calendar. It's very helpful to go back to your calendar, see if you went to that provider on that date, and try to remember what services were legitimately provided to you. If you see something that's irregular, that's something that you would want to bring to our attention and we can assist you with. Um, Follow the instructions of your state or local government or other actions that you should be taking in response to COVID 19. Unfortunately, things are very fluid right now. Things are changing daily as far as the supply chain, where the vaccinations are available, and the criteria in which groups are going to be provided at that time. So you need to stay close to the media to find out exactly where and when and what the criteria is for you to get any COVID 19 related vaccinations. If any of these anomalies that I mentioned um, are indicated, if you see irregularities on your MSN or EOB statements, that's what the Shine SMP program is for. That's why we're here. Please contact us. The SMPs, Senior Medicare Patrols, empower and assist Medicare beneficiaries, families, and caregivers to prevent, detect, and report healthcare fraud, errors, and abuse.
That's great information, Jay. And if someone thinks that they're a victim of fraud, of Medicare fraud, who do they contact? And
Okay, good question. Contact your local Shine and SMP program. You could see the contact information online or by telephone. It's 1 800 963 5337. It's a generalized telephone number. You will specify the county in which you live, and you will be connected with your local Shine and SMP program from there.
okay, well, thank you so much for joining us today. And this is Medicare Mondays. So
Thank you for
thank you.
having me, Amy.
My pleasure.